Orientflex is a professional manufacturer and supplier for different hoses and fittings. We not only can make good quality different hoses, but also various fittings such as hydraulic fittings, ROHS, JIC, and so on, and low-pressure couplings, cam lock, American-type air hose couplings, and also hose clamps. Hydraulic fittings. Hydraulic fittings usually used together with hydraulic hoses. And for different area, the type is different, such as metric, JIC, ORFS, NPT, and so on. As well all know, there is items number of the hydraulic fittings are different accordingly. We can make all the fittings as long as you tell us your number. Hydraulic fittings usually used together with hydraulic hoses. And for the material, most of the hydraulic fittings are made in carbon steel. It is suitable for most situation. And for some material request stainless steel, such as 304 and 316, it is also no problem to make it. Low-pressure couplings. Usually, most low-pressure couplings are quick couplings, such as cam lock, air hose couplings, stores, bar couplings, and so on. For cam lock, the common size is usually 2" to 8". It is usually connect with some water hose, oil hose, some pumps, and so on. For different using situation, we can supply aluminum, stainless steel, PP, PA material to meet our customers' needs. For some air hose using, air house coupling is more suitable. The size is usually from 1/4 to 2". There are different types for the couplings such as American type, European type, and so on. For some fire security couplings such as stores and British type couplings, they are also belong to low pressure hose fittings. This kind of fittings usually used together with the fire lay flat hose, PVC suction hose, and so on. And there are also some couplings sold well such as KC nipple, hose mender, and so on. For this kind of couplings, the size is from 1" to 4" are popular. And when the size is bigger, such as more than 6". bar coupling will be a good choice. For some industrial using, there are also sandblast hoses couplings, concrete hose couplings, and so on for our customer shoes. In general, the couplings is to connect to hoses according to different using. What we want to do is to provide what customers need and assist our customers to buy more easier and cost-effective